My fans mean the entire world to me. I'm just a kid myself, so it's really wonderful to be able to relate to kids my age or younger or even older. They're so energetic and wonderful and really just empowering and encouraging. I always try to tell my fans that I never really can truly explain to them how grateful I am for them. I can't really understand the fact that I can just go on a stage for an hour and sign as many autographs as I can, and they're okay with that. And they wait 10 hours, fly from different countries, and wait all day. And me just doing that is good enough. I don't feel like that's enough. They're amazing.